Okay, so this is day 6, and here we are. We now have a nice active starter, and we've been at the feed and discard stage now. But you can see, looking inside, you can see kind of the texture in there, the bubbles. This is definitely active. And so just basically at this point, you continue to discard half and feed it. And when you feel like, it's really rising quickly, 12 hours and it's doubled in size. I mean, that's a very strong starter. Sometimes it takes longer than that. It depends on the temperature of your house. You're done, and then you can just start using it. So for the bread, I always use 100 grams for one loaf. So you would feed 50 grams of flour to 50 grams of water. And with this, when we feed it and we want to store it, let's say we're not going to make bread for a week, we'll go ahead and discard half of it, feed it, or if we've made bread, there's only a little bit left, we feed it, just put it straight in the fridge. So fresh feed, put it in the fridge and leave it till you're ready to use it, and then you'll feed it for the loaf you're making. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this series. Please let me know if you have followed along and made your own starter. Some of you will have made it in less time. Sometimes it takes a couple of weeks. It depends on the flour and the yeasts that are in your environment. So let me know how it goes, and thank you very much for watching.